it's a blue thing.
That's a cute one.
It's cute.
Good morning from Kuwait. Today is our second day of lockdown. And right now I'm in my studio editing these vlogs. Right now it's Ramadan, so you can't eat during the sunrise or the sunset. Wow. You can only eat at nighttime. Thank you.
Look at Josh's breakfast.
It's a fish pancake.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Joshua, what are you doing?
Homework.
Because you're homeschooling?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you draw a silly frog? Okay. And then here.
I want you to move it to the corner over there. Okay, a little bit to here. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect.
So,
I was gonna show you what I'm gonna say.
go ahead, say it.
Hey kids, we're gonna make some painting. We're gonna show you where the painting supply is. And I'll say, Daddy, show us where the painting supply is. But you have to say, oh, Mommy has it. And I'll say, Mommy, show us where the painting supply is. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Say action.
Action.
Hey kids, we're gonna make some painting supplies. Daddy, show us where the painting is.
The table to the middle so we can have a good spot to draw.
Zephyr, get those muscles. Wow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Other way, other way. Right there in the middle. Yeah, right there.
Like this, see?
We put this.
No, it's not windy. Yes, it is, Josh. No. Yes. No. Yes. No.
It's too windy, we're gonna paint inside.
Boys. We got
You
surprise for
got
you.
painting. Can I say something first? Wait, guys. Hey, guys. You're about to see what we got, guys. And close your eyes, guys. We're gonna show you what we have. Ta-da! We have painting stuff. This one's yours and this one's mine. And we have 2 sets of brushes. This one, this one.
2 aprons.
2 paintbrushes and 2
Painting tray.
painting trays and 2 paints and 2
Sketchbook.
sketchbooks.
Right.
I got an apron.
Joshi.
Oh my god.
Joshi.
That's how you get it.
We tie it. Have put the Velcro.
How you tie this?
Okay. Dark blue.
Black, how was that? Hey.
Use this one.
Look at that detail right there.
Do you like my art?
I love it. I love it.
Yes.
It's a little abstract, you know?
Which one? My Teddy?
No, Josh's.
Oh yeah. Those
Yours
are-
is a little creepy.
Wait. We're gonna run it. Oh.
Really?
Use it? There's something wrong with the ground. 1, 2. Yeah! Sonic! 2, 3. Good. There we go. Like all the corners.
See that right there?
I'm gonna put some eyes.
That's our dinner. Actually, that's the kids' dinner. My dinner's over here. There's the chef. And here's the rain center. Gotta have that rice. And there's the Corona cookies. Watch yesterday's vlog. You can see how we made those.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes.
I'm done.
All right, time to eat.
I'm done painting.
Can you explain it?
This is Merlin and Mimo.
Cool. What about this?
That's no one.
Well, what is it?
I'm guessing it's Dory. No, Dory's behind you.
Yep, Dory's behind you.
Ah, need more red.
I didn't know you're drawing your girlfriend. Drawing your girlfriend? Why don't you draw a picture and just kiss it? Huh? Huh? Ow.
What a girlfriend.
These are all drawings. This is him. This is Brennan. And this is Dory. No paint, no paint. Today's video is the log that is finished. See you tomorrow.
Is that Jacob's drawing? Cut it out. Ikaw, you're the one who's asking for everything. You're not even helping.
That's how she is about 99% of the time.
Yeah, she's on this.
Hey, don't be starting fights.
Battle fight! Battle fight! Oh.
Give up? I'm just gonna go sleep.
Okay, we give up.
Oh, you guys gave up? I was sleeping. So you're telling me I just beat you in my dreams?
Yeah, it's because you moved your name too far, Daddy. I mean, Joshi.
There's a tiny A.
Oh,
Wow, look at that.
I'm going to take. Ah!
You
No!
try to spell your name J-U, it's J-O, silly.
Oh, wait. It needs to be a hole there.